and put the interest of Sierra Leone above all else. So help me God. So help me God. Today, we know how we can do them every Saturday. We delay things that will happen from the last time we did Naya to date. And you can get opportunity. Maybe some things that will be done deal with you in the week where you will want take part, but unfortunately you not be able. Well, now today on Saturdays you can get the opportunity for do. Before I can lay on the table the things that will happen from last Saturday to date, make a bring in Senesi Brahma, make it tell Fambule Madu. Yes, Senesi Brahma, you want to tell Fambule Madu?
Fambule Madu, me na Senesi Brahma. We are always in this program and I want to see Kusha and Cabo to all. And I want to see plenty thank you to you to keep for giving me the opportunity for make we contribute to nation building. Thank you very much.
And on behalf of Fambulem, I want to say we have tell you thank you for where you come. And Fambulem we have tell you thank you na share network here for where una save the Obayanda they listen. Okay, this that's how they start today. Last Monday, we will get breaking news. And this breaking news will tell you, say, one of the judge them, na the Commission of Inquiry, Justice Biobele Judge Will, Tifman and Bigona in Os. Then go there. Then go take waiting to the young. And we begin for no say, then go with in laptop and in hard drive to in laptop. That day na be seize social media for that day. How we happen? Well, we begin for hearing from Sierra Leone police. We tell we say, then go reward 10 million leons. Where anybody wake out news, we go make then arrest the person or we go lead to the arrest of the person we being attacked or we go thief na justice in us. On Monday, what will be deal with now? We be deal with customer care service na salon. If you not able for listen that program there, because we'll be talk about cutting there. Anything we be now, come back na the Facebook page, or if you want, you can go na YouTube, you go find and there. And Tuesday we see Usai, then we do digitization of the ICT, the conference, then be launch them. How they try for make internet accessible for everybody in the country. Well, we dey wait. We also see Usai Colinius Devo, the man himself from APC. Remember, inside May, where the fracas be happening at the APC office, where he be take to in hills, and from that, police be don't put money in aid, say anybody will go able for make them arrest them. Well, on this past Sunday, na be in birthday, so he be wishing himself happy birthday on Facebook, and people can begin right. So now himself ready for right. He say you know the idol, but him prefer for the floats around until the needful is done. What in the needful when he say? For make Salon police say in a free man for waka. Because he not do nothing. Well, after that if man be don't go na Justice George Williams, the same neighborhood, following it. Then go na Dr. John Tambi, the presidential advisor on infrastructure, the man behind Lungi Bridge. Then I go make person easily sabiam. The man behind Lungi Bridge, the chief man then be go back na your house. We still say ACC said and signed grant agreement with Osiwa. Osiwa then give ACC 100 million leons. And give ACC grant. I don't know if ACC be supposed to take that money there. Because Osiwa na an organization where they deal with grant business na salon. They help people them, but themselves, na people and they give them the money for make themselves, they help people them. So what if they are found wanting an anti-corruption for investigate them? Now we they don't go give anti-corruption 100 million. You feel say conflict of interest no go there under? But anti-corruption don't tell them thank you for the grant anyway. We see Usai on Tuesday, what will be deal with Tanaya. Now the interview where Samuel Wise Bangura been get with Francis Ben Kefala. And also where we be laying a table, we laying a table waiting Michael Sambola of 98.1, the piece will be put together about anti-corruption. So we just join them with waiting Wise Bangura been asked Francis Ben Kefala. Again, we suicide armed robbers them, then we go attack AYV, the headquarter. Then say, then we catch two of them, but the other one them be run away. On Wednesday, because when the week be start, people and be like say, oh, for talk about the thing we happen at George Williams, for talk about them, but hey, we be refrain until police issue a statement. So police be get for issue a statement. So Wednesday, now that we be deal with Naya, we be can lay on the table. We suicide Wafra and Slafa, they say they do certification ceremony for the new batch of referees them we then do recruit. And on Thursday, we suicide President Bio. Press release become out say he go attend the 172nd independence anniversary of Liberia. On Thursday, now the president be jetting, and on Wednesday jetting, Thursday then tell we say he go Liberia, Friday he return. We should say Green Dwarf. They say then go recover the locomotive then na salon. Then train them will be the transport with natural resources them. Well, until then people then be don't pack go. Then be don't begin the collect them property them. But this time repossession them we can do. And can repossess them and carry them go. On Thursday, what will be deal with? We deal with the bank governor of Sierra Leone, Professor Kefala Kalon, in your eyes, IBC, the salon economy. And then they will be deal with. We suicide Slafa say then they increase the Premier League club them. Now 14 days, they say then they increase them to 16 club. We also see President Bio, just like how we been talk, he be left and go Liberia, where become other in vacation na Kenya. We should say FIFA pull press release say they don't ban a former Sierra Leone Football Association official. They say because of that match fixing business. What we deal with yesterday? Yesterday, well, because of all waiting they come with this dollarization, we'll be sending with team for go talk to the dollar guys them, the black marketers them. And we be out that video day, we play them. And I done the we've been dealt with yesterday. We suicide Liberia decorate President Bio with the most vulnerable order of the king, the knighthood. Well, they say now one of the highest award in Liberia. They don't give President Bio. Again, we suicide the former president, President Kuruma. They say not be there well, will not be know when he come out to. But when he come, they make we know because they say na private jet na inka with him. They say he come on Nigeria. Well, now yeah, we go lay the things that will happen. When we put now we websites during the week. Sometimes you be hearing something will happen. Or sometimes then we would all lay so or we will be done discuss. You be one take part, you get the opportunity. But first make a count Tennessee. Yes, Tennessee, you don't hear all waiting we lay na table. Waiting you want pizza.
Thank you once more. Now, something actually we demand the people of Sierra Leone, I believe, see, people will go and know time for start. With all waiting darling at the table, waiting pass for the week. May all concern the security aspect. You know, we get ONS at that country. In the Office of National Security, you will only read them when they say by election day, and the time they will come, they say progress security threat. But that same day you will read ONS, they all over. See, these are security threats, pass and postpone this election or the week record. But from when this government don't take over, we don't get series of security threats, we don't get series of security lapses. When they see ONS, they can't see anything. This is a cause for concern. The person, the president who gets as head of state, now a general would expect to see we will able to put security business under control. But from where it don't come, we see plenty things. We don't see inside police, soldiers they go fetch police, sometimes they broke office, this, that, we don't see inside police. So the man fetch na Eastern police to rob much Panandi, say they are not good. We don't see plenty things we don't happen. We don't see inside even the push the police. They say the police don't even guarantee the work out with Japan and they put in a street. I think 2 or 3 weeks ago we touched on that say for Brinkham policeman or for Brinkham military man always for calm solve such a problem. It's no good. We don't talk and attach without number. It's like the police they do for do their work. If the police they do for do their work, the person will be on top. We not the boss. If he's not competent for do the work, definitely they go for lay the man off because it's like if you see the junior manager do for doing work, and then they listen to him boss or him boss man will control, he will give the correct order. So change the person, you bring another person, you try another person, let's see if like the same thing they go. But this security business, we don't sit down with the local with the full and full fruit. Things they go wrong. We don't see inside the thief not increase. People that don't see, people that don't complain. People, every week from most of the people they in a radio, they talk from them or that them from all of the promises. Thief they go on. People need to talk until when fiscal inside town, then we gap now begin say for put things in place. I remember. If you see Alina as a key member, now so when they want to begin a salon, when they go begin at the provinces, let them try the and the social na people that will go grab them and they will finish them. We will not ever take that war this serious until when the war is freedom. At the time we begin call for people them all over the world for car help, people they can because we of course the war be don't come on our and we will not be able to again. We see what happen again during the Ebola. We make them careless. People they talk, then Friday we cut them down, we cure and this no, we will fair medicine, we will fair way. Until we reach that freedom because before we begin call people international committee and be out na help we. The time when then TFIA be happen at the provinces. it happen. People that they make calls, hey, una come, una fair way, una fair solution. Nobody not grab. ONS not come and say, police this year when they happy, this now security threat. This will raise to level 1 or level 2. This will not come. No what they happen. They not strategize. They not do nothing. Instead, what the ONS will go do for go strategize. Now for go raise Jamba farm. I remember one time in 1941 when they go raise Jamba farm where then the killer guy. Now ONS coordinate. See, what is they care policeman and they will kill somebody there. But all in here they happen. They go and chat people. With the suicide people, they go fetch. They hold cutlass. ONS not come and say it's a security threat. Now the chief don't can say he don't come at the doorstep. He don't come right. He don't go inside the court. He don't go to VP office. He don't come say. He don't go to Biobel. He don't go chief the bridge. Now with the council now, what will they do? For say we take soldier again, go to Biobel house and go before the security. Some of them here we know for the take and light. You know, the security lapses is too much in the country, even for the president of itself. You look the last rally when they do when they say, wake up. If you watch the video, if you watch the clip, excuse me, you really see some, I never know for start. You know, now so Jama will get now as a head of state. I believe say some of them here, if I try for, what's if I look, accommodate, I come to indicate this in Cameroon. The way it come, we don't know when he go out. We don't know when he come. Then see how it happen. I make always like the talk see, we all belong to different political parties. As long as we are not common as alone, we don't listen to people that they call now. People that they talk. Anybody will talk, you understand, you know from the angle where they come out. I always tell people, let me put the political lens, leave and talk about national issue. If it be political business, people will not for come and say they talk about salary. They will just say, "Now so happy now this nobody discuss or that the good thing of what government do or the bad thing of government do." You know, say this radio station, now so they on, so they. But if they put and they say, "Calmly, you can't talk." Then we talk of national issue. This EDK in Cameroon, it comes with special flight. You don't know, so I come out. High come, high no come. Special flights come, you can say for no presidential. The very day, His Excellency himself become with a commercial flight. And the person within a control tower, not even no see His Excellency become with commercial flight. And documented to the effect where they no see, indicate for the use of the presidential law. They not change it. Then they have to pay anybody for facts. They not change it. So, if His Excellency become any kind of security lapses, if His Excellency become, why that man waiting at the control tower? You're not supposed for no say. This particular commercial flight with the council, His Excellency did it. You see, these are some of the things they will talk, and not even no say His Excellency become. So the security aspects, communication, is better breaking barrier. People they feel too good of themselves to communicate. Now so I feel that this government, because things they go wrong, nobody need to talk. You remember we'll be there now, we'll talk, see something they go wrong, even if that fear crisis, nobody can talk to nobody until you see pass our WhatsApp or now WhatsApp, the information minister they run, or the information ministry in our WhatsApp group they run. What about my people within that village that get a small radio, where that party puts the money for them listen, and not ability to stop the phone. Why they not go pass on information to people? Now this government can get how they call it, now the information ministry they get how they call it, they get different people. Also they did a radio they talk. But when it comes to sensitive issue, people need to hear them. We say as fast as I do all day. I doing our topic, your information. So we don't know whether it's authentic or not. You see, these are some of the things they will talk. You know, when you take you just people the way they feel what they say. And I want to remind the SABP government, see, they only can power with a difference of 2%. 2%, and at the same callousness the APCB they do, people that they talk to them, and then they hear it. People that they talk to them, and then they hear it. And when the people they change their mind, at the end of the day, now that makes we still the face in here because they're not even embassy. They're not even embassy says today APC now we so many are in opposition. So if this government don't come, it not take advantage, it not take that thing a day, it not take that 2% day, it take as now we win. 5 years they far, 5 years not they far. Something the way they happen, when they happen now, people they still they keep record of when campaign time which people get for pull them. And most of them they will affect the APC. So not only inside the last 4 years it happening, things that will be done they happy for more than they want. People keep records of them and they. So governance is not they allow people that for them people that they think say that's so something that's so happening. Like what's happening with the president so it's happening. All the county, this is sick, he don't die, he don't wait to report. You need to let people that for let them think for the safety something that's so you don't do. No! Come out and talk to so fear they go up. Nobody no come for can't talk to pass we see on our WhatsApp. Then minister they can't talk see the one they wait for can't talk the one they wait for signing don't sign. And you go take man with the register vehicle see for can't what thing they can do they. These are some of the things where they really pain we. They really pain we country. No know who's actually with the head for. Who clearly say that then 2 parties are no more. But I believe say something one day you understand. One day they put it happy that Europe and other countries. So maybe one day we'll get for say no test another political party back. So then we will get a small difference. No test them. No go that way they what France do. They forget about the 2 big parties. They take new away just bomb. You understand? Maybe one day Sierra Leone will get for try that one day say, let's try a new party, but not see. You see? So for now, Akin, thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, I want all you quick.
Yes,
remember, we will talk about that police incident. Remember about the theft na FBC. You remember we be talk about you know say there is an update to that, eh?
Yes, I know that there is an update. And I want to tell Oman Bangura, thank you. You see, now these are the talk. When they assign people for new job, you understand? Not so even the minister for don't go to that place. I believe say inside the police, you get CID, you get recruit different people where they go and then get to, they get information. Yeah, that's why how would they? You get all sorts of people. Then this year they go, just imagine as if police they inside one farm, then we get some motor and now they use that farm. Then they use for go side, they go for go to the investigation. I don't pack now I just see them inside motor car, they can't say they go that farm. You understand? Now so police they operate. You know, and if you listen to the interview of the minister,
exactly. Now they everyone make we they not go with police. Now in personal security, they no more. Now go with.
Yes. So you just say waiting at the time for talk about this security business. The police will not trust them, will not guarantee them with security business, will not know who they actually will return to. Because if the police be the work, you understand? Minister for don't go say now. What I want to do, or before that, when an incident come up, the police for don't try for arrest them. Go na the car wash. Outside this thing happen. Remember before Oman they come up, because you say everybody at a car wash, then if they go there, they will able to know exactly what happened. Because when they are there, they know all the bad people when they are around. I saw come and the other day what thing happened, Oman go to the place, they go step to them. Then they say, well, we sabi the people there. You see? So they were there because they said they would pull land outside the eat. They say no brand, no campaign now, we sabi the people there. If the police we don't do that one day, believe me, minister not supposed to go there now. If you don't go with that minister, if you go meet up other bad people there, they go with that. They will probably say enough of you don't go there. But it do it because you know if you go tell the police, say they do something like the secret of your body, then your body run. Then you talk both in the radio say it do deliberately and it's not only in security to secure you. You see? Now this are the talk. If the man, if nothing, he left the man, you know, he is a fully the pass do clean, you see, so take long convoy the car with the obstruct traffic. You see? You got it's difficult. The security situation will be at the talk, and once more, this government needs to take it very seriously. There are so many security lapses in the country. So many ONS made they say nothing until we get by election. We Francis Yangoba Kelly Bukan, they can't talk say we don't raise the security, don't raise up to 3, 4, or 2 million or how you later. So that election is not for hold because this that. And we see tell next year the election not for hold in the hold. How many elections they don't postpone? They don't postpone one. Now Waterloo, the other one inside the Buki Labobo na Tokolimba. Now ONS begin order say they for council and next listen to them. But all them see how they happen, people that they die, they chief people then, and they say security level don't raise. Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you very much, Senator Ibrahima. I open the phone line now until we know say today Saturday. We now can do them. You get the opportunity if you want to be part of the program for call now and be part of the program. Kebi Content on Facebook say he said the president really need for put some hold on this too much traveling, especially where the hardship just the increase na the country. On that note about the president in travel one and the hardship na the country where Kebi Conte just comment na Facebook. How me want put am in? If you na mama, then you pikin. Na in no more they go fen impadi them. Na in no more they come out go fen impadi them. I like na new area self una move go. Na in no more they go fen impadi them. All thing na in they go fen impadi them. But impadi them no one day can fena. In Paddy, they no ever come for na in one green they go. What's in that mama they can tell him picking? What's in the mama can tell him picking? When picking, I no more they go friend Paddy, I no more they go play to neighbor, I no more. But the Paddy they know they can't today. Nayanda, now so me go left this particular one. And you make your judgment for yourself. Make a out with first caller. Yes, caller, your name and also the call from, sir?
Yeah, my name is Brahma. I call from New Jersey.
Yes, Brahma from New Jersey. What thing you want pick from the thing that we will learn at table?
Yeah, people, I want to you to plenty thinking. I want to say greetings to the fellow Sierra Leoneans and we listen all over the world. Again, me just like Wolf and she say, me they start to the security because having take part that way. That day is the security situation is very worrying as Sierra Leone. If you're worrying for we want as Sierra Leoneans them, what about the foreigners then? Where they go? Because remember last year, similar to the Apple, where the American embassy now, Freetown they issue travel advisory, the police be vexed. Say these are they don't foresee that. But again, any tool they talking at this program, every day we come, every tool we talk, we go left to go right, we end back at the police and doorstep. The police then doorstep. I wish they get challenges them, then they get better resources, better pay, but then get for do better. Because we don't spend plenty couple on them. For let them train them in the United Nations. Please don't get for do something. Because if they continue, so we know we are making embassy, the British embassy, the French embassy, then we'll begin issue travel advisory for the citizens there. So now me, I really want frustration that they really get for do that handy. For we, for the citizens that want to say alone, and for attract foreign investment. Because you know they will attract foreign investment if the security situation not stable. Then get for do something. The country is stable, not get me wrong, but the robbery, then get for take care of that. Then on the second side, want me to touch, now the governor. The governor, that interview, he not been do well there. He not been do well at all. And we all know the central bank, although the finance ministry, but the central bank, they're very integral to the country in economic policies. So, then get for do better. And again, that law then pass for that dollar. Me, I really passionate about that. Sierra Leone and Leone's they use, not $2. Please, oh please. the central bank, the FIU, the police, please let them make sure say let them follow on that. Now dollar with the business. I mean, I saw it. Now Leons with the business alone, not to dollar. Now Leons. Because like what over say, okay, we'll go central, we will afford the dollar. But what about the poor people in a salon? They're not able to afford that. So let them follow on that. The only thought you are touch on now that internet. What do I care go to the schools them and the rural areas there? Again, at least let we pray and hope say the government able to achieve that and because anything they do want for see, then developments in there. So we hope and pray say then go able go through with that. The only last thing what they touch again on, again, although that not come up, now the thing and call, me they touch on unity. So I don't have the moment here how they talk. If we not unite among ourselves, we'll continue to go before. We need unity, we need to unite. Don't forget about which way we come out or we religion or religion. We need to unite for people to continue to go before. So now my contribution and I continue for listening. Bye, thanks.
All right, thank you very much, Brahma from New Jersey. Thank you, sir. Yes, caller, you did live on here. Your name and who side you call from?
Yeah, this is Ayo, the call from the US.
Yes, Ayo, what thing you want pick from the thing that will lay on the table, sir?
Well, I will pick on small. The first one has to do with the police. They say Pakaba million train the police them, spend money for training them with you, and that means say the training will work. Because if the training will work, then if you don't change the attitude, the training will work. It's just like you know they give dog name when the dog don't big. If the woman way small like your name, it will train and listen to that name there. Their police they don't set up in their ways. So not any amount of training will make them change. It's not going to change at all. They go still get on that same attitude where they don't learn from the 70s. It's not going to change. You know, I don't care how much money you pay them. You know, they don't. It's in their blood. You know, and now we talk say, well, when I get in Peking, always they go friend and party them. Yeah, the reason why most times that they happen, sometimes the Peking are getting also eat. You know, so you go for good then party them. If party them no go come friend them because then get. They don't need for come friend you. You know, now you go friend because now you need something. You know, and where the other guy they talk about security. Not a security business and salon are the only problem. Everything a problem in salon. Yeah? Look, they talk about the dollar business yesterday and the syndicate, they work with the bank. Yeah? It's not like the structures are not there, but the people that already run them. Now they make things work for the people in the salon. When people they talk about and when they go laugh, when they go ask and we wonder how they do them. We don't need to focus on Rwanda. We got independence before them. Rwanda get independence in 1962. You know? And we get the structure too, just like them. But we not put Union into practice. We left Union for all to deteriorate. You know, so we never forgot she don't run around the rock people and how they do stuff. We're supposed to know how to do stuff. If we don't know how to do stuff, that means we don't know anything about governance. You know, that's my contribution.
All right, thank you very much, Ayo. Thank you, sir. Yes, caller, you're live on here. Your name and who side you call from?
Yes, good afternoon. This is Nancy. They call from US.
Yes, Nancy. What thing you want pick from the thing that will lay on the table?
Well, I just want to pick about something where you touch on quickly. Where you say, what will people then can say if you picking all 10 and then a neighbor house, all 10 and they go friend in party, then no they ever can friend. My granny always be they say, nah, aunt then they na you also na chuk we make you know able for sit down na you also will say then a neighbor house. And what in that making mean say, if all 10 na you then a neighbor house, what you they go friend day? That means you're not important enough, you're not valid enough for like you party them when they cancel you. Now you know more time they go big party, go to party for go whatever it is so they go do. Now you want to sabi. So like we saw back then when if I see neighbor house and they beat you if you party no they cancel you and they beat you so you know go there again. And what you don't notice like say we president they do something similar to that. I don't see Liberian president will just don't say, okay, Laka Waka to you. Or Nigerian president or all the other presidents around, Guinea president say, okay, Laka Waka to you. I don't see that it's more in Naya, it look like saying they don't know more, they go and send them. What thing they go do, who's can help good and go give them, I don't understand. I want to sabi. And we hope say them good and the way they go, now for something good. You know, or if not for the party, well, left to her. La just engandi. So the other thing we want to talk about now this dollar thing, where actually we don't listen to what all the people the way they change dollar then talk. They say the same thing. Now we produce more than we consume. They say the same thing. Say alone we know they produce anything. Basically, we know they make nothing. We know they export. We they import everything we they do. Say to the food we they eat, we get a fertile land. One of the best fertile land now we get them. Even I can remember they say Gaddafi at some point he can't buy Dotina salon, can't take Dotina salon for go put on in country or make it grow in what he says in back on the agriculture in country. We get the Dotina and God give we am. We're not even able to make use of them for what we produce. Instead, pass we go for the imports which we they eat. So if we are able to produce and export, not to just minerals no more, we dig no more, they dig all the time. We therefore embark on agriculture. If the government and the people of Sierra Leone are together, we're able to improve with agriculture side, then we go able to help the country. And if we produce and then we export, then definitely money will come in, dollar will come in. And if it come in, then the problems then go ease na salon. So as we say, the problem no dey to the one the way they change the dollar, just like way then they explain their rights. It's very true. If they're not able to help the one the way na petty traders, the way they go buy Guinea, Liberia, and Dubai, they're not able to help them. Then what do they go do? And salon money is just the circulating inside salon. It's not value nowhere else. You know, if we use salon money na Guinea or Nigeria or Liberia, you're not able to use that. When you want to go na Guinea for go buy something, you can't even change salon money to Guinea money. Pass you change that in dollars. All of that. So basically, we own money, not even value. We just no more for go na market to go buy, can cook. That's it. You're not able to use them outside that. So if you salon money get for value, we get for work on the agriculture, we get for try for produce and export. Then money go value. So now that's the number I want to talk about.
All right, thank you very much. Yes, thank you very much. Yes, caller, you're live on here. Your name and who side you call from?
Yeah, good morning or good afternoon, AAA. My name is Amarasa. Thank you for the good job what you do, and God reward you. And I just want to touch about people who talk about. I let you support Madabu anyway. I watch the program Liberian radio station live, Facebook live. Yeah, we the military top say invite them anyway, not just grab and go there. And at the talk about our next former president in arrive one Lungi Airport, the government really need to do something about that. Like they try for provoke or whatever mock the government really for the day. I see people in the past over social media, WhatsApp, all this stuff, you know, they really need to do something, the security, especially. Yeah, they really need to do something about that, you know? Yeah, that's someone. Thank you.
Thank you very much, caller.
Yeah.
Thank you, yeah. Yes, caller, you're live on here. Your name and who side you call from?
Yeah, AAA, this is Mamadou from Australia.
Yes, Mamadou from Australia. What do you want to pick from the Tineo Lena table?
Yeah, first of all, I want to apologize because my voice very heavy because I'm very early morning to me now. I want to thank you again for where every day they come up with sensitive issues where they put the country in news on the map and every day. I just want to draw your attention. We, the Salon people, especially the one that we really support the current government. I want to let them ask the government if he we might have been there in opposition for 10 years if it not be no salon issues. Because when we been there as opposition, come out from any foreign land, salon is there. Always in London where they go come, no salon issues. Also, we don't be president, therefore go everywhere. So the president don't make, the vice president don't become dormant, the foreign minister don't become dormant. It's like the president will go everywhere. We any international thing we therefore deal with salon with the international partners in I mean, the president don't become too common to the other international bodies there. So I don't think it's way too common to get value. You see, and there's something we then call in economics reality of products. The more a product becomes rare, the more it becomes expensive. Take a look at like diamond, gold, and ordinary stone. Stone is always cheap because it's common. You can spend on any side. But when gold, diamond, or gold and yarn, expensive because it takes a lot for you able to extract diamond and gold. So I think the president for make let we foreign minister then work. The president for make let we vice president work. That's all sides for this. But when you don't kind of power, I don't know how many foreign leaders don't can visit you in a salon. All 10 in they go. And Papa we not in our house. The way push not in our house, they are actually all the pass. So all man with the pass they doing things. Because when we check the number of time we don't travel come out of that country, it's like every other week the president is out of the country. Ebo, there, Mr. President, stay home, look after the country, engage the people of Sierra Leone. Let you know the pain what the people in the feel. Just by visiting small villages like Tomabom, Koribondo, Pujo, Kailao, Tambia, all Dekabala, then Bafodia, there's small villages. Go there, even Southside will never vote for you. Go there, go see the people then. Not for the fly plane no more all the time. Who vote for you? All
right, thank you.
I want to engage the people of Sierra Leone. Enough of this flying.
All right, thank you very much, sir. I don't know, because I be they talk to somebody and the person began to tell I be they talk about this repossession of the locomotive them. Then somebody began to correct me, say, not to this regime, then begin repossess them thing and they say now from the previous regime. Because now only now it come now we on light. Because maybe feel say now they can repossess. So then I mean they say why make they not be able to talk to them people and they say do you on a left them here or we buy her or we make claim for themselves because they want and they will be the work for we. Now they don't abandon, they don't go. Let us self make claim say them be all we tax, so we self the season. So we own people and we they up now the provinces because we said them they ride anything and the rails then still they. But now so now we see they don't repossess anything and they. Now so they rail and they go did it in Nyama a poel. I want to bring Senesi inside. I don't know if you know anything about their locomotives then they. Senesi, I don't know if you know anything about them. Let you help with small liar.
Yes, the locomotives that they actually, not so now they don't begin move them. Before this regime they come, we know see iron ore from where we don't drop. From one, they don't begin selling from one company to the other, and we get serious trouble. And when this regime come, then we try for see for negotiate to them, for let them go stay or wait safe or. Let them renew their contract or let them begin do shipment. Actually, I think they don't do two shipment. We still the wait because even when this way Rado take over, Honorable Rado UK will take over. I think they do one and then we do one before it come, then they don't do one recently, we don't come. But then locomotive, then they not so now they begin care and go. We just like what they talk to people, what they talk to say just no more. So if they happen at the country, nobody know they are aware. Now because of when they come for can take the hit then now, you know say them big, you know they with also because of when they be the past now with them. Everybody can say, hey, then see they care and go. But they don't begin care and go before. Even when I go salon, they don't begin care and go because me now Lungi I be put up. When I ready for Google, I use Lokomasama, Rapo Loko as this now the travel with because I left for the going eat me mango. If you see all the sites, then see they all them be pack. They don't begin care and go. Even to they get the because from Lokomasama to Loko. You get one side with the train, the campus, middle the road. All them barrier then they you meet, then push the way them begin, and we don't pull them. So not to say them begin go. The contract be either they're not able to get any other with the but I believe maybe this government they see they look for investors, they therefore look for another people they can take over because they go around for look for investors. Maybe other possible can't but not to this regime actually they begin pack. No, anybody not say that this regime they begin pack. They don't begin pack. And now they come for the hit. They don't go to trail all. And now they come for the hit them. So that's not the information I get. And myself be able to testify. Say indeed I go and see for myself.
All right. Thank you very much for you able for help we that side for make we clear no say if we don't begin go not only now they can take the balance one them. Again, if you've been listening to waiting the dollar guys then be say, one of the dollar man there yesterday, what he say, people them, now we Sierra Leoneans them don't take the dollar very high. He says, so man, even if they send money for him, where he go pick the money, even though na Leons then get more. Where you want talk, he talk say they send for me $100. He say, like people, everybody want dollar. We remember, it's funny, but when you look inside it, you remember, say, even when they can say, we married today, they say to go with the dollar. Then they say to go with the Leons. Like, everybody $1. Even at one time, they begin make fun all say, even the one that we get Budus. When they ask for rent, na dollar they want. Like, everybody wants dollar. Even though this dollar, you go pay them, yeah? At the end of the day, they say na change them, they go change them more. Na the Leos they get for use. But just because they hold that dollar to that kind high esteem. So, we, the people, back again, get for try for begin frown at the dollar, but yeah, then they go out. Then it go difficult. The man go to the extent say even girlfriend and boyfriend they say they $1. You $1. All man $1. So what's in the happen with the Leons? Just like we all know say yes, we get for produce, for make we go get waiting we want. But now that small way we get, now we talk about. That small way we get. The small way we get, we're not able for even maintain and be able to get some big alejo there. When then they control, then get dollar past the bank there. Yeah? Not so yeah. The bank governor say they catch one agreement with Forex worth over $100 million inside saloon. $100 million. Inside saloon. We bank one bank self no go boost of $100 million. in Forex. If they get and save, now for the corporate people, them. Corporate business. So we really need the government for step up. And when they talk about government, talk to the president too. Because most people, them as they say the government na the body, the hand. When they say you, Tripoli, the hand, the eye, everything. So every arm, where did they? For do them work. Just like how we dey talk now, we say they don't lay na table, but the security sector. Right now, ONS, we not hear from the 8. We not hear from them. Eh? We not hear from ONS at all. But when they say something we get for do with politics just now, you go hear from them. So for saying now only when it gets for do with politics, now it be saying at them.
Abraham, yes, especially for this dollar. Then before I start that, I briefly say something on that way.
Yes, Aaron, you can tell Fambuleado and Aaron, just hold you quick, make a call with this caller. Let just hold you quick and call this caller, then I bring you in. Yes, caller, your name and who side you call from?
Yeah, good morning, 888. This now Joseph I call from Australia. Howdy, buddy.
Not bad. You want to take part in the program, sir?
Yes.
Yes, what do you want to contribute?
Okay, in the first place, I will tell you thank you and you team there so that for this wonderful job that you do. Actually, you put a lot of things on the table, but sorry. The one way actually I want to talk about the one way gets for do with the Commission of Inquiry George George Biobel. So that's the thing I want to talk about. You know, the way how I look at the whole thing about that in laptop theft. To me, I mean, it's an inside job. It's an inside job. The one that they're responsible for the security, now then go don't play that role. Now then go don't take that money laptop. Because on no account, nobody know who come outside for Canada money in house. We really don't know who said the man in room there in the first place. You know, the thief might just go and take the man in laptop and the hard drive. So it's like it's an inside job. But however, mostly they blame the government is that this we don't talk all along about security is other place. The government they care less about security. Some of us we totally disappointed in the president because they act like man when a security man. They act like that. We are so disappointed in honestly. Maybe they expect say in the first place, what did they don't put in place before ever the judges they come or before ever the commission of inquiry start? Who said the judges that they reside? Maybe they expect say they don't fortify that place there with CCTV camera. They don't install CCTV camera at the place. So in case of any intruder go there, the camera will pick out. But who said they don't care about security? They don't even remember about that. So how do we even know the exact person will do that accident? That's one. Then to the police player side, the hierarchy of the police. Look the kind of amount where they put say anybody where they give information will go lead to the person in arrest. That 10 million when approximately $1,000 US. That's nothing. That money is very, very small. Some of that place would be the high level of crime the way that you don't occur. The kind of money where they put, they put $1,000 for that kind of crime. No way. So it's like the police, they're not even serious about the investigation. They're not even serious. You see? Because if they be really serious, they want to know who that are the person way. If they want to take that money, therefore don't put money way past 10 million. You know? And the other thing again, we actually are the appeal to the government. Or maybe the wages don't happen, they don't lift them up. Neither the judge the security. But if an Nkrumah get over 10 security guards, how much more now when the judge there, the commission of inquiry judge there, when they can look into their crimes, the way the money don't come, they lose to the money, we don't lose that country there. Why they don't give them like at least 8 security guards, each post, each judge, but they go assign 3 security guards to the judge. They look the night with it to the airport. Instead of 3 guards, one guard 9 billion on duty, then the 2 guards are not there. So nothing, no patrol, no night patrol from any top ranking security apparatus for even check that the different sides and inside the guys and the guys. No, nothing. So it's like, to me, it's just like an inside job, you know, honestly. This is an inside job, and it's very embarrassing to the country. Very, very embarrassing to the country. So this is my own contribution.
All right, thank you very much, caller. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, make a car with Arun now. Make Arun tell Fambule Madu. Then, Inking Rob Motsma with you, Rob Motsma. Yes, Arun, you get the platform, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Good day, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, whoever you did. I mean, Arun again. Sorry, I joined the program late. I would say everybody they do well. I just want to start with in this last speaker say concerning the issue relating to the laptop of one of the judges of the Commission of Inquiry. You know, any country we don't come up and situation we find ourselves like that with the struggle, the try for grapple with everything. Then things they are, especially inside poverty today. You know, because sometimes maybe I know I speculate say something maybe the security apparatus, whether them being complacent or something involved, that would be unfair because you don't know, you know, then you not go blame somebody we you not even know because on assumption. You know, what me want to say regarding that, imagine if let's say na security guard so that judge they all are they working at the court so that judge did the seat, you know, and the people away this commission they look at now people away chief, some people away allegedly take millions of dollars in that country. If me now one person we don't take, let's say I don't discuss of millions of dollars. I know say that judge will deal with the case. I mean, if I get access to a laptop, that's go undermine the inquiry. I can afford for go get like $10,000. I can afford that. Give somebody na the court over there around the judge. Say, but give me that laptop. What are you not going to do? You are happy for you will get somebody who not going to do. Now we country with poverty. You know, so just like how the speaker been saying, you know, proper security apparatus, proper security network for them. You know, the other thing again, I don't know how we computer system in the operating asylum because even though they take the judging laptop away, whatever the inside the laptop they, you know, because when it will get to do with government or like them leading financial institutions and it's not just within the laptop, then get something like a bank where all the information where they collect all the information. They can kind of take the laptop. Imagine if now accident happen or the laptop for them water damage. Then the outside they will go and retrieve all the information they need back will be inside that laptop. Now make some of them then the system and they give you provision for make you get password and code. But we much now we smart these days, sometimes they can break into you password and code. Because even though they will take the laptop away, the judge can, if he gets that kind of network information bank where they retrieve all the information they need. They can go retrieve all the information back. You know how to go you get a new cell phone. I know it's not so they operate in Australia. Now this country, you know, say you phone and bug. You go get another one. all your information within the previous phone, it will transfer immediately go to the new phone. You know, even if not see the paper. So now, I don't know if the system they work now in a salary if we don't get advanced into that. That's it. I want to come before I go to this dollar thing. I want to briefly talk on the railway two-way sensibility talk about. I think the way government keep for the signing contract in because I would tell you, transporting anything and although not to the government of Salon will pay, transporting them back in a whole lot of money. If like the government is signing contracts and they say, well, if let's say the equipment the way they use now, maybe we'll sign an agreement say then belong to this country rather than they can root them out, carry them. Imagine if that's not been the case. Another company one can invest in a Sierra on iron ore. The government will say, well, listen, we get structures in place, we get the railway system in place. We don't need for car with anything, and then our car we get. We can do the transportation of una. If we get all the system in place, it makes it easy for other companies for come instead of them thinking, hey, we go for transport all the equipment and they go, what if something go happen? But then they would think say, oh, well, the country gets the structures in place, then get the railway system, we can take them from the ore to the seaport or whatsoever the transportation they take place. I don't know if Tennessee will buy this, but I think if let's say something, you get the system the way company where they come, like when they go, so they don't need for take everything again. We don't make the arrangement again. I just kind of speculated. Finally, I want to tell this dollar. Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, and so that I believe say people they be listening. I don't know if it's people they will play Honorable Rado when they take up office. What will they talk? Honorable Rado within a parliament, it be there. I think the committee for mineral resources. Broadly, Honorable Rado talks say most of the laws then when they be signed, it be not saying a bad laws, so they can review them. And I believe say now one of the bad laws and the way they be signed, they could the talks to say we count it property, then see how they it go left now. So in really aware, say most of the laws they be decided na parliament now when they be passed through parliament, that be bad laws. It's okay, not to me talk more. We say talk, I believe say if people they can help you stand there, plan for people then when rather take up office. It's okay, say most of them think they'll be the past parliament, but no, will not be there for you. So they say they're small and money be the anybody who wants to make agreements, the committee just buy them. These are the problems we face in the parliamentarians. And they think of really the people we put here. They think of themselves as long as they pocket full of, they keep passing a kind of. Now you say they can't review the all because you know there be bad laws. It's carry on, sir.
Because all the things that they say to make, we say as a country where they invite investors. And also we get some structures, some things in place. It will make it easy for them to come and say, well, we don't need for transport big equipment then for going to that country. And that will reduce the cost we will get for loss in terms of waiting and wanting. Because for anything where the ship comes, you don't believe this. When they come for can do the investment, for anything where the ship comes, you will see that they pay the cost. No, not when they pay the cost. Now the country where they can do the investment. Because they will take that as part of the investment. So all them things like when they do then the less so when they go so well. If let's say we sign the agreement and they say well for now let's say 50 years we left the structures they will don't be in place. When they can equipment they can take them away. Then they left now. And all that stuff therefore will be good for the country. I want to talk briefly on this dollar thing. I'm listening one interview where one lady one journalist do now where he talk to people and he talk to some of the dollar boys. I'm not listening to all of them. When I listen to what the deputy minister say, I think there was a break on the way the interview being take place now. I don't know, maybe something I may misunderstand what the journalist say. Not that I say do bad. What I understand to the minister say that government not gets kind of absolute control on maintaining or containing foreign currency. You get people them outside, we not more or less not then grab the foreign currency business. And some of them people there, they are not Sierra Leoneans. It make mention of one thing we didn't teach somebody they try for take about $1 million outside of the country. I think me not think there is problem with the dollar boys thing. The dollar boys then they do them business within the context, the confines of Sierra Leone, and in a way it provide jobs for them. I think what the government should do now that if let's say some of them then boys and the way they do dollar business, if they come together, set up a kind of a group or a company where sometimes their money then they would and they do when they get a profit then hand them over or save them na the country rather than where them dollar then they come you get some foreigner. I remember the deputy minister mentioned about whether Lebanese or Indian people. When you get outsiders and take absolute control of the leading business, we miss people like Bar in Tony, where you then get financial kind of background, even for small. When you get people away now foreigners and they get absolute control of the base of our economy, it's dangerous. If you get Sierra Leoneans the way, if no imagine saying Sierra Leoneans they mean get them business again. That's a low man with them. That post we didn't see without $1 million na airport. If you have been Sierra Leone, so they save on the banking system within the country, and that means for bring money for the bank will forget dollar, and not necessarily missing at the bank loan. But when foreigners then come, then take hold of we sometimes some of them dollar boys and they then get agents, then get people that wouldn't. So maybe they are just agents. Then they work for foreigners, and then foreigners and they at the end of the dinner, then they get the money. What do they do? Then they transfer the money outside of the country. So now that they deprive the country so much of foreign currency because the money they siphon out of the country, and just like what the minister said, that one are just waiting and seeing at the airport. What about the other one where they go through other channels? So it's fine for the government not a businessman. The government more or less not will take control of if they can put laws the way go govern the way because foreign currency now the country that the base that for every country. If we see we lose that, the government not get any say. So it's fine for we get Sierra Leoneans then. We get Sierra Leone at heart, we go do them business and then keep the money within the banking system in the country. That will help the country. Because the money where the government they use, not to the government ultimate per se. Now money where the business community they keep na the bank. Now the government they use so sometimes. So I would just let them so. Now me understanding that. Not that right. Then they say the from what the minister say the boys then that they above the bank because no matter what that money will then serve they make then to him in Leon's world where they make now inside Sierra Leone then they spend them little profit where they make they are part of the business community.
All right, thank you very much, Arun. Make a come in with this caller. Yes, caller, your name and who the call from?
Yeah, I mean, Usman, the call from UK, sir.
Yes, Usman, you get the platform. What you want to pick on the table?
Well, I got a few things I want to pick. The first one, border security. I feel they talk about one of the policewomen who forgo secure, say he not being well. But I think now only because of negligence of duty, report. So now they don't want first of all address for say anybody within in duty. Land for execution duty. Wouldn't you work? If you let you work, you do am. I for do am. Like I be saying no more. Some people in a by turn that pattern they really do. Till this still don't happen. Then in terms of say that's abuse my laptop today, that na one good information really. But the other side, you possible back say, Salomon will listen no more. You do overlap. So until then people will be angry thief this year. Then go down they know them why I own a security. Then go they ask them just one common question. They would they don't off. They go down begin they ask the intelligent question and then go tell them, oh yeah man, I like to see they put them more. We don't tire and that's what they do. So then you will pick up from them thing and they need advice for them kind of people know then they assigned for do their jobs and they or you know permanent secretary or you know somebody for able for keep secrets. But you never know that secret go leak for like go Google information for something where go fishing a bad thing go happen, but that person go pass her. That person will go see dress fine intelligently and go get problem. So the really don't want to wrap tight today. Then the other side, when the agriculture business, everybody they talk about for just boost up towards the final area for this dollar in business. I feel the investors they wouldn't they come na the country. If you look now more of produce of business and they can do for sale. You get the internet where they don't come, then they come boku. But still not since our government don't put law say we want more of people where they come for can do agriculture and develop this place. Then go give them land. They say okay, una employ people there. We monitor una begin produce. Years back na Makini, I think they been get a place where they call Konsho. Government introduce a small scale where they produce juice and jam from the fruits they produce in that area there. They begin to sell Angona Liberia, Angona Guinea. But what happened? The money not been circulate fine. They corrupt that place, they lock that place, they close ma. So if agriculture begin doing at the country, still and produce palm kernel, on a long-term thing what they take. That palm they then pull out, then begin to produce and then they sell and like pan container, then export and we go and see salon palm seal the can abroad. That palm then they sell and then get but put then go make pana. Then inside the back then go to say get small factory like ya. Where they make soap from this wire. Logo they make shampoo. The chaff stuff we go make with another thing. Even the chaff from that candle inside stuff, then get bokutu, then go to the candle stuff, then they will make candle from that thing, the other they call and the banga inside. And they make candle there. So that they will invest, then produce bokutu, then burn for encourage the investors that they can, not just for can open shop or entrepreneurship. Let them they encourage them, let them they come. For cow to small no more than can do less out, don't do they make in a large scale, we get big lands, Malal, Iguna, then Gula forest, and they wouldn't be done left for long. Look at the timber they wouldn't the export now. Why? Now because of that 10-year civil war, then tick them, they don't kidnap and they don't big, they don't cut there. When you don't cut them, why you not go use some of this land for let them go make us big farms? We don't go for produce, fruits, other vegetables them and many things that wouldn't know why then the cost price in the outside world. Then at the other one will go too far. Instead of them go encourage no more for let them go they can no more for can make business and then the profit. You see? So the other one who officially will pick up it on a very serious issue. Now about this Ebola. If you don't come, this Ebola they don't come, it don't go. But from what you know about the virus, nothing will mutate. If you see what don't happen at Congo right now, it don't happen there in a way where now it try for spread going at Rwanda. Now they even begin, and what you then call Ebola, the river, so beside the river where the priest be go first see this man was sick by Ebola, or then see he's sick. Now the priest go pray now the priest die, but the priest be so popular that when he die, it become outrage to everybody. So they give the sickness name now Ebola because of the river in name. But they introduce a system where they don't begin carry the vaccine. And at this UK they make the vaccine together with other place na Nika Sulia. The vaccine they in present now. Then they vaccinate people and the only thing no more Congo, then they fetch the people who they do them because then they go the idea say na sick and they bring pandemic. Let government try initiate this idea. Let them talk to their partners and now like with that park in Canada, you don't go see the Queen, you don't go see them people there. See well now we don't get Ebola. I don't know where to Ebola can begin vaccinate. Vaccination I think will prevent you from the sick. Let them try carry that vaccine day. Then go try do mass vaccination of this vaccine. If not loan safe, let them loan them put towards it. Let them must have money there so that they will secure the workforce in the country. Now that's how you know more go on for church, where go on for make contribution, let government think about it. Yeah.
All right, thank you very much, Usfren. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
Yes, caller, you there live on here, your name and who side you call from?
Yeah, I name Harun, I call from Boston.
Yes, Harun, what you want pick from the thing they will in the table?
Well, what me they pick now this scary problem now where they happen this armed robbery.
Okay.
Now me fear for that country there. And one thing we I get for say is that police if police then serious no more than can able contain them and then the way they do them in the day. As far as I believe, them bad guy then the way they do them in the day, believe me, police then sabi them. Among all the number of police then they beaucoup they way go sabi them bad but then the way they commit them crime. But if they're serious, they can able catch them all. I can remember during MPRC term, when MPRC then take over, where they be really ready for say that kind of habit did not for the inside Freetown. Believe me, it happened. Because I can remember some people and they get whole money so na hand, boku money, they walk along the Abacha Street, go, nobody know they go attack there, nobody know they go near them. And again, then trader then the way you see where they did na Abacha Street, then PZ area then they. Most of them back again, then they connive with them about then they. I go tell you one incident what happened to me when I go 2017 na Freetown. I began for go buy building material na waiting and call the place God the Concord store they went na building material. Me wallet the popo come almost popular na me hand. Now God make way myself a turn hit them hard. Then the foolish trader they sit down they laugh. Can you imagine somebody they go posse waka attacker una sit down way una de look waiting they happen una no can for help am. So Mr. say conclusive whenever they all son most of them they hand inside and see how they happen. So waiting me they try for say them police then that police but that commissioner of police that one day Mr. said they recommend say if Mother Bio really want for do something that man they therefore let go with them. So let us see what and get for do. If it possible, say then go bring calm a discipline somebody. That is if they were able to take one person from the military, we get military training, and they get in that position there. Believe me, sometimes it could bring discipline inside that police force there. Now then they mean they talk for no more because really that country they, if it continue with like I did so. Not a good thing, not a good sign for that country.
All right, thank you very much, Aaron. Thank you.
Okay, Triple. Thank you very much, yeah.
Thank you, yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, caller, you live on here. You name and who side you call from?
Yes, Triple. Side you call from, it don't mean nothing, but the name don't into this from Salo, son of the soil.
Yes, but what you want pick from the thing that will learn at table?
From the thing that we learn at the table since we be start to up to now Saturday today, just like what the Republic analyze when I analyze how within America when I Tennessee, so I give more great about it. I don't think security issue be the matter of the country. Don't forget about security. We get full security in the country, and they all know what they do. They all know what their job. You understand? But now one thing, Salon politics, then two parties have for realize. See, who APC belongs to don't, then they don't win the president be the worker. The worker boku people in waka about in the pan. So the other president by we can at the same thing for they do. Don't think about this. They see, I know they see not how country they go right now. What then people are just given a new direction. What then they do? Today, yes, you say so be the claim say that wouldn't be there. Now then count Ebola count all that thing again that's what they do. But tell us see there is a way they come. They was pass out they don't pass. Me just the pre-men Sierra people are here. Just let that call out what be say. No offend new party. Let new party then at the country. Don't forget about them two party there. But them party that only this. It's shameful as a president of Sierra Leone, go for opposition as a crown, not to one West Africa for Liberia. What does Liberia mean? We get something with
our Oluyanda bar. And you see where we lay the things on the table, and our law can be between APC and SLPP. Not only we talk now. If you listen from the start, we don't begin to, so don't they now. Let we just focus on what we want for Sierra Leone. But for APC and SLPP, and our law go another route, they please. Let's just stay focused for Salon. Yes, carry on.
Okay, then they ask you. That was what he said. Yes, concern about the dollar issue. Like one guy that you see the dollar, the changes the guy what he talk. And that is not true. Me, I don't want to let the minister what he talk who cast the blame on the people who they change dollar. You know what I mean? They don't get nothing just to suppress the unemployment young man them na the country what they again survive for the present they work like they cause that. Then na be the thief man, the small thief man we been adjust the thief small like the Allah say you don't thief. All ten they among the Africa problem. Salon don't to dollar who people at the China street make dollar they increase. Now lie. Many let the man and men do their job. Just like what the other dollar change what you talk, you see, the way they change small. You know what I mean? Because they change more than $1,000 or 2,000, 3,000. So they pull on. You don't understand? So then they mean also no point what the minister where they ask them what you will give to the people them at least alone people will get whip say yes not true. No point me not sit down there. You don't see, don't you concern about your president. Let the pass it on at the country, Lord see. You know, the party, if you're not saying at the leader, I don't be president already. Introduce one of the vice president and minister them, or at least when you pass now, then therefore can't take a position. But the panel they sit down, you born the picky that they sit down, how the country control will day. You know go day. Who want let that party sit down at the country? Then forget for go Africa country to Africa country. Nothing them people not get some Africa country the way they go so we get something past them. Will they live better life past them? We know the bigger, we know the salon bigger man, they know they, you know. But what's the need for going and chase them man? Any go, the president, go any country, not your own pocket money. Now country money, now people money, now your money, now the country that they spend for them. Any side we go lodge now, any country now your money. Any travel we travel now your money. We're not checking the travel then. It's just the common a country. You need to get account to them. No one know, they no how much the party go spend per occasion or vacation where you go per, you know. They just people like saying that darkness and they do the country day. Like one which man, you know, where they pan rich, they pan darkness, so make them pull it, you know, easy. So pas that you go there for say for friend hammer them for what people let you commodity. So they are with the big. Let it pass it on for we. And anything what you do go, make analyze that for. They don't say corruption they don't. But corruption still occur at the country. Even the ruling government, corruption will occur. They just they pull, you know they know. So they are pan, I don't know more. What the power they come and tell we what they spend and what the power goods. Let the logo they know. Because our money, what's all that possible to buy money? Yeah, pa.
Yeah, thank you very much, Ba. Thank you. Yes, make a bring in Tennessee because we round up now. We don't close the phone line, we round up now. Yes, Tennessee, what you round up with, sir?
What you want really round up with Mr. Ayo, we they talk about somebody they talk about the police when they don't inform Mr. Ayo be the same why they not still maintain. Unfortunate for the inside that batch. You know, when after the war, we get Kit Bidu where then the IG when he become secondment from England. When I left that name the force for good for carrying brand the police force. And then how do you recruitment be the go? The last time I be talk about the recruitment one woman the captain from US be for counter. How do they do recruitment? For the military and the police. Now, they be the go now chiefdoms, communities, anybody will apply, if they get somebody, either the paramount chief, the imam, or the pastor within that area, all for recommend you say this person a good person in this community, in no one they cause problem because for police not get no records where they go show say this person a criminal, no fingerprint, so that they forget about it. So they take another look and read it. People they recommend people say this person, good person, the chief they recommend. So with that we'll be able to get less criminals than the police and the military at that time. And when they go to training school, they make sure say you get what you go for. You need to go to the more say I can't join police at the end of the day you wear the uniform. They go through the training, they make sure say you get some bring up the age when you come out they perform. And forget OSD, enter the day, all the go as general duty. All the go there, then train from there, they can begin training now, whether one for go now the OSD division, because plenty of young guys they not be one for go, then they take a say for the illiterate there. IG Kylie, where this right now, not the general duty man, but in the first man we go OSD, we get masters. So like in the take up down or say okay, we go OSD. So like the end of the use now for showcase to the other things in the police in school. Tell us you're not to only people that we don't go school. We get people that go school like Kylie, and masters all that. You know, they begin bring intelligence people there for Canada wing day. Because Canada they just go take the can and put scale and go and Samu they go take. But from the day, we see say during Pakaba era, say it done to the first half of an school, we see how the police and behave. You know, they see no more than go them go fire tear gas. During Pakaba era, you say it done. You know when they see OSD then go na APC office them fire tear gas. No one they see that. Or you see OSD who gone when they see student in the sky go in fire. But when the APC become, understand they change that whole pattern. They just take people from nowhere, they go and put them at the police. They just take them and tell them, in fact, they nobody they go to PTS, they be just scared and go to Samu. They go to them. So that pattern, they all change. Nobody recommended it, just no more one police, then get a put them. So from there, we see how the police don't go. You see? And we see how they go. Then, at that time, we attract take over. Police say, people then they will be the grumble. Say, actually, they promote. Actually, go look you know they can't work. You not get better record, then you say for them promote you. Actually, in promotion always be the good. In fact, government not be the interfere. So those are some of the things they always then they get against Pakaba in agency. Pakaba they recommend for promote. That's everything he argues. So even the SFP people they be the global because they actually monopolize the promotion of the waiting court. But actually they promote whether if they say they do the job. So then they will be get sober police officers. But what you will see last, before this regime they come out, I remember, I think the last promotion where before election, I think a month or two before election, we see who said they promote over 2,000 police officers. Who are competent, who are not competent, who are rich or rich, they promote over 2,000. So tell me to get people that they all they can't the people that will not be, you know, so everybody will just be lethargic here and then me uncle and I will recommend me them promote me. If we actually promotion be the good by merit, not for the richness that way the way actually be before you left and do Munu, where Munu take over now can't see all things come point. You see, from now this more expensive country can now narrowing. It just deteriorate. Because they say in the Pakaba and say they see who say something they happen, they go call military. That's like they say election. In fact Pakaba says if not ever get MacP. Will not be get MacP during election. So even the election was so peaceful. You know, it was so peaceful. So what we need to for say here is we still emphasize on this because when they go and say we need the best of for going at the country. If it's always safe to self not secure, how will we go secure what's really counting the money business worker investor country? Like this way happen to this judge. It really disgraceful. It's really disgraceful. You see, you go then they go all at the international media. It's really disgraceful. So if it's somebody don't prepare as a maker, we say how would it? At least you see all that video you give me that Dr. Alusa where for them go attack the wounded. These are all some of the things they will be talking about. Then people they need proper security. But nobody depends somebody, nobody they go. So then you see people they know the care, they know they take the work the serious, but we months done, they want let government pay them. Now if you government own police salary for 1 month, you will see what they happen, they go do all over the social media. The government don't hold money, 1 month they not do for 3 weeks. Yeah, you need to get money where you work for. You work for them. We want the way you get your money, you take care for Hula. But salon, we want done so money living work. So these are some of the things. I mean, really, I want all the police officers the way they involved in this the issue. The need for deal with them properly. Then we journalists in a salon as the cabinet talk to you. We journalists in a salon, plenty of things don't happen with this government kind of power and really don't they happen. We journalists they always when they get breaking news, they really follow up. Remember that where this mobile them go catch them Chinese man they will not know what to do approve them. Then Chinese man when they go catch they say they do illegal mining. What to do approve them we don't know. The journalists will not come back to it, investigate the country. Now so this case don't go. But how did they catch Boku inbox, they say inbox for how it don't go. Minister of Information, anything going already, you need to tell me nothing but that. What you see the catch people there, what they don't do anything. What thing actually don't happen. They still want for action journalists, them make them to continue for the go and get details and let me minister them and go they talk to me. Let the court for me, I prefer for let each ministry get in PRO than we left everything at the Ministry of Information. They all the work on around, but let each ministry get your public relations officer so that they will reach out to the people. I believe that they will look somehow better so that people will be with the police. I want to say they will give press briefing on this particular issue where people then come and talk to people. Call press conference saying that so step we don't take so that people will be satisfied and know what is happening. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much, Senator Ibrahim. Make a call with Aaron. Yes, Aaron, what thing you are round up with today, sir?
Well, I think from every aspect of our society, from the top to the grassroots, I think we get for sure a sense of love for country. And when you love your country, when you want for your country progress, not to take your ministerial positions, certain things and the way they observe, where they go wrong, like responsibility for all the attention of the police, and the policing responsibility for keep your identity, for protect your identity, for let people they don't know. And certain things, and they're not going to pay you. I want to come back to this laptop we lost. They're not going to pay you as much as sometimes somebody go pay for can bribe you for let you take that Georgian laptop in game. But if USA love it for the country, what you do, you call the attention of the authority, say, hey, now this somebody want to come bribe me for that if the judge in laptop there. All incidentally, because the general good of Sierra Leone, there is no amount of money we go buy and we go replace that for you good. I mean, you can get $10,000 today, but I'll tell you, you go eat all that money, you use all that money, then you come back to square one because in any way change you because the very society we not advanced. Now that you live, and it will affect you. But if we all put on together, we make we country go before we work for the good of the country. I think that will make we and country go before. Now, one good thing that APC been carried is that attitude, and I don't know if that attitude, I'll change them in color. But the team where they not take farm vote. I don't know how they may go with them. But attitude, we get for change your attitude. What they make people learn history, learn from their mistakes. But I don't think we learn from the mistakes then. We really allow people and we not get interest of the country for come to the country and milk the very little we get, the milk we dry. It's not just politicians. If you get business people they come, then they put foreign currency we need for import goods for we in general. Use na the country. Then they can't go na their own country. But that's what we no go do now other people country. Why make we for allow them for can do them? Why make we for aid them in it? It's wrong. We get for make sure we not allow that. And we get one weakness we let for work with foreign people and we turn we back against we young people. If Salomon Gap say want to do business genuinely, but let we get people who for support them. We go turn for support. Sometimes somebody will come on Ningazasia or some other Asian country or some other European country or some other American country. We will let for work with them instead. We undermine the average Sierra Leonean. We have to get for change for the better of the country. I think that I want left with tonight.
Thank you very much, Aaron Rashidin, and also.
We come to that school business.
Yes.
And I don't know if I can make me pledge public also. I pledge a good amount of school materials for that school. Things that the school people will need, books, pen, pencil, and other. School charts they will need. And when the term reach, when I don't get them ready, we will post them online. Then I will make Abraham and tell me how to ship them by the grace of God.
All right, thank you very much, Aaron, because that's not the next one. I want to appreciate the following people way I can't call their names and they don't pledge and they don't donate already, and some people even don't tell we say even how little they don't put, then go able for do more as God they bless them. And the following people where they call now, they don't donate to the school project and the Sarah Network Logistics. They say on the GoFundMe we get to Bangura, Ibrahim Yela, Josephus Bull, Usman Toure, Martha Bangura. Those people they don't donate through the GoFundMe. And we get a cash app. We get Mo from Atlanta and Kumba Ali. They also don't donate through the cash app. And we get through the Zelle when at the banking system, through the Zelle na United States, the banking system na United States, we get Umu J. Leby don't donate. We get people who don't donate through Western Union and MoneyGram. We get Samuel and also Brema Conte with Memunatu Barry. We want to tell all them people here thank you for all the donation they don't make for the school, and we want for assurance say the money not get for go no other side, but it get for go towards the school. This from the start of the project will be last Sunday, because we'll be there now Saturday. We'll be promised Sunday now with the launch them. We launch them on Sunday to date. Now then people here don't donate. So from now to next Saturday again, the one that we go donate, we go come here and announce the name and tell them thank you. We know say plenty people don't promise we anyway, and we just pray say God go bless them, and we go see waiting. Really, we don't get about this school, because as it is now, school law lock, and we don't begin put things them in place. The one that we don't begin send through Western Union, the money then they we don't use them already for try and pay the city rate, as them we don't give us for let we go pay the city rate, and then they go there inside the yearly money we they pay now for the building. At first now be just the top floor, but now we don't go secure the top and the bottom floor. So we did try anyway. We did try, and we want for really tell people and thank you. We believe in the project, and let we make this happen. Let we really make it happen, you know. And I tell her yes, as I come online just now, we are calling him now, I remember, but as I come out here, I go send you the information, sir. I will send you the information. But thank you everybody. Thank you everybody. And the one that we don't pledge, we pray say God go bless you now, and we do wait for you. Let we share with we co-workers them too. Let we share, if you believe in the project, let we just share with we co-workers them. We know say at the end of the day, this is Sarah Network project. Thank you very much everyone we believe in the project and don't put the lily thing we're able for bring together. Thank you guys. Thank you Senesi, and thank you Arun for una time, sir. Thank you very much. Yeah. The annual rent, I be don't talking before the annual rent. Abbas Kuruma say waiting at the annual rent. The annual rent where we go sign now for the entire building at 8 million. Now 8 million at the annual rent where we go sign for the entire building. Make I just add the building. And the place now Waterloo. Now Waterloo the place there. All Road Waterloo. Now the place there. And the building where you they see now. Now the building this. Where we they talk about. The top floor, now in the school occupy now, but the bottom, now we don't add, and you go see say the bottom window not there, you will see both them, pan and all everything, and you see and so the building there, but We want for work on them. We want for work on the building. So Abbas Kuruma, you were asked that the building make will show the building, and I believe say that's go help way anyway. I think now we dey close to the program, and not forget say tomorrow we go rest, then we go come back well energized on Monday. We know what we learn at table today. We know what we want for Sierra Leone. Let we always keep Salon our prayers, and not forget for check on the donation side. And if you won't forget, just message we will remind you. But till we meet again on Monday, that's what people say. Tata.